If you are a dog lover or curious about this gentle giant, this video is for you. Welcome back to Yekni. In this video, we will talk about the history, physical characteristics, pros and cons of having a Great Dane dog. So, let's get started. Great Danes, also known as the Apollo of dogs, have a rich history dating back to ancient Greece and Rome. They were originally bred to hunt wild boars, but their size and strength also made them excellent guard dogs. Great Danes were first introduced to Germany in the 16th century, where they were further developed and refined to the breed we know today. Great Danes are one of the largest dog breeds, standing at 30 to 32 inches tall at the shoulder and weighing between 120 to 200 pounds. They have a short, smooth coat that comes in 6 colors, including black, fawn, and blue. Their large head, deep chest, and muscular build make them an impressive sight to behold. Great Danes have a gentle and affectionate personality, which makes them great family pets. They are also intelligent and loyal, but can be stubborn and difficult to train. Great Danes have a lifespan of 6 to 8 years, which is relatively short compared to other breeds. Let's now discuss the advantages of owning a Great Dane dog. Great Danes are often referred to as gentle giants due to their patient and tolerant nature. They are known for their love of children and make great family pets. Great Danes are very protective of their families and are often seen as caretakers of children. They have a gentle and affectionate personality and are known to be loyal and loving companions to their human family members. Great Danes are naturally patient and gentle with children, which makes them an ideal choice for families with young kids. They have a calm and composed demeanor that makes them less likely to react aggressively, even when provoked. Great Danes are also known to be very intuitive, and they can sense when a child is upset or in need of comfort. They have a gentle and nurturing nature that makes them a wonderful addition to any family with children. With their size and strength, Great Danes can also serve as excellent playmates for children, and they are often seen romping around and playing with their human siblings. Great Danes are known for their loyalty and protective instincts, which makes them excellent guard dogs. They are naturally protective of their families and can quickly become very attached to their owners. Great Danes are often described as gentle giants due to their calm and loving temperament, but they can also be formidable when necessary. They have a deep bark and imposing presence that can deter intruders and potential threats. Great Danes are also very intelligent and can be trained to protect their owners and their property. They are naturally alert and watchful, and they have a strong sense of territoriality. Great Danes will typically bark at any stranger or unfamiliar person who comes near their home, which can alert their owners to potential danger. They are also known to be very loyal to their owners and will do anything to protect them if they sense danger. Overall, Great Danes make excellent guard dogs due to their combination of size, strength, loyalty, and protective instincts. Contrary to popular belief, Great Danes have low exercise requirements and can adapt well to apartment living. While they are a large breed, they are not particularly active and are content with moderate exercise, such as a daily walk. Great Danes are known for being calm and relaxed indoors, making them well suited to apartment living as long as they have enough space to move around comfortably. Great Danes are also known for their adaptable nature, which allows them to adjust to different living environments. They're generally laid back and easygoing, which makes them a great fit for families living in apartments or smaller homes. While Great Danes do need a large enough space to stretch out and move around, they do not require a large yard or outdoor space. As long as they are given enough attention and exercise, Great Danes can thrive in a variety of living situations. Overall, Great Danes are an excellent choice for apartment living due to their low exercise requirements and adaptable nature. Hey there, fellow dog lovers! We appreciate your presence today. If you found this video informative, kindly give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay updated on more valuable content. Moreover, it would be great if you could share your personal experiences and insights in the comments section. Together, let's establish a supportive community where we can all acquire knowledge and develop together. Great Danes are relatively low maintenance when it comes to grooming. Despite their large size, they have a short and smooth coat that requires minimal brushing and grooming. They do not shed excessively and do not require frequent baths, which makes them a great choice for people who prefer low-maintenance pets. Great Danes do require regular nail trimming, teeth, brushing, and ear cleaning, but these tasks are easy to perform at home with a little practice. One thing to keep in mind is that Great Danes do drool, which can be a bit of a downside for some owners. However, this is a small price to pay for the many benefits of owning a Great Dane. Their low grooming requirements make them an excellent choice for busy families who do not have a lot of time to devote to pet grooming. Overall, Great Danes are a relatively low-maintenance breed that requires minimal grooming compared to other large breeds. Let's discuss the downsides of owning a Great Dane dog. Every pet has its pros and cons, and it's essential to acknowledge both sides of the equation. Great Danes are a large breed and require a lot of space, both indoors and outdoors. They are known to grow very quickly, with some puppies weighing up to 100 pounds by the age of 6 months. As adults, Great Danes can weigh up to 200 pounds and can stand over 30 inches tall at the shoulder. Due to their large size, Great Danes require a lot of space to move around comfortably, both inside and outside the house. They need a spacious living environment with plenty of room to stretch out, lie down, and move around freely. It's important to note that Great Danes are not suitable for small living spaces, such as apartments or small homes. They need a large and secure outdoor area to run around and play, and they require regular exercise to maintain their physical health and mental well-being. Without enough space to move around and exercise, Great Danes can become restless and bored, which can lead to destructive behavior. Overall, Great Danes are a wonderful breed for families who have enough space to accommodate their large size and exercise needs. Great Danes have a relatively short lifespan compared to other breeds, which can be difficult for owners who become attached to their pets. On average, Great Danes live for about 6 to 8 years, although some may live for up to 10 years with proper care. This shorter lifespan is due in part to their large size, which puts more strain on their organs and can lead to health problems such as hip dysplasia and heart disease. While Great Danes may not live as long as other breeds, they make up for it with their loving and loyal nature, which can bring joy and happiness to their owners' lives for many years. The shorter lifespan of Great Danes also means that owners must be prepared for the emotional impact of losing their beloved pet sooner than they might expect. It's important for owners to make the most of the time they have with their Great Dane and to cherish every moment. Many Great Dane owners find that the bond they form with their pet is incredibly strong, which can make saying goodbye all the more difficult. Despite their shorter lifespan, Great Danes are a wonderful breed that brings love, joy, and companionship to their owners' lives. Great Danes are prone to a number of health issues that can be costly to treat. One of the most common health problems in Great Danes is hip dysplasia, a condition where the hip joint does not form properly, which can cause pain and difficulty walking. This condition can be treated with medication and physical therapy, but in severe cases, surgery may be necessary, which can be expensive. Great Danes are also prone to bloat, a life-threatening condition where the stomach twists on itself, causing a blockage that prevents food and gas from leaving the stomach. Bloat requires immediate veterinary attention and can be fatal if left untreated. Other health issues that Great Danes may be prone to include heart disease, osteosarcoma, bone cancer, and thyroid problems. While not all Great Danes will develop these conditions, owners should be aware of the potential health risks associated with this breed and take steps to ensure their pet stays healthy. Regular checkups with a veterinarian and proper nutrition and exercise can go a long way in preventing and managing health issues in Great Danes. Despite their health risks, Great Danes are a beloved breed that can bring a lot of joy and love to their owners' lives. Great Danes are known for being independent and strong-willed, which can make them difficult to train. They can be stubborn and may not respond well to traditional training methods such as harsh discipline or punishment. Instead, Great Danes respond best to positive reinforcement training, which involves rewarding good behavior with treats, praise, and affection. This type of training requires patience and consistency from their owners, as it can take time to establish a positive and trusting relationship with the dog. It's important for Great Dane owners to be patient and understanding when it comes to training their pet. They should focus on building a strong bond with their dog, which can help make the training process easier and more enjoyable for both the owner and the pet. Consistency is key when it comes to training Great Danes, as they need clear and consistent rules and boundaries to follow. With patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement, Great Danes can become well-behaved and obedient pets that bring joy and companionship to their owners' lives. Until our next time, continue to share love and positivity, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming video.